Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. Today I am going to take a topic called pre-market. We all know that people normally start trading from 9:15, but between 9 and 9:15 you can see the prices which is called pre-market. And many people have doubt, sir, can I buy the shares in the pre-market or can I sell the shares in the pre-market? Yes, you can. At what price you can buy? You can choose your price. First, let me tell you the historical background. There are many innocent investors who never go through the news flow, and next day morning, in the morning itself, they sell or buy, and then market moves violently. In order to save the innocent investors, exchanges all over the world have a system called pre-market. Before the market opens, they allow you to buy or sell. Actually, it is not buy and sell, it is to place the order for buy or sell. So, all the investors will know indicative opening at around 9:15 when the market opens. So, let me explain how the system works. When the pre-market opens at 9 a.m., you want to buy any shares, you can place the order. You want to sell any share, you can place the order. Order will be accepted, but it will not be executed. Between 9 a.m. to 9:07 a.m. During these 7 minutes, you can place buy order, you can place sell order, you can modify the order, you can cancel the order. So whatever you want to do, you can do. Between 9:07 to 9:08, during these 60 seconds, NSE can freeze the session at any second. It is a random one. So even after 9:07, you want to modify order, cancel the order, you can do it, but there is no guarantee that the system will be open to accept your orders, because it can close any time between 9:07 to 9:08. It is a random one. So, to be on the safe side, if you want to modify or cancel, you can do it before 9:07. That's a very safe way. Then what happens? Whatever the buy orders, whatever the sell orders, everything is collected, collated, matched. And then when the market opens at 9:15, and whatever the orders are there, buy order and sell order, at the equilibrium price, the orders will get executed. So what is that equilibrium price? That is considered as an opening price. Sometimes you can see very erratic prices. Buyer may be at 100 rupees, seller may be at 90 rupees. You can see the erratic prices. Then how NSE calculates the exact opening price, equilibrium price? So that is very interesting, and it involves a little bit of mathematics. So let me try to explain, and I hope you can understand. It's not a great deal. Now, let us say there is a particular share where the orders are received like this. At 103 rupees, there is a buy order for 13,500 quantity, sell order for 11,500 quantity. At 104 rupees, the buy order 9,500 quantity, sell order 9,800 quantity. At 105, 12,000 and 15,000. So these are the prices at which these many quantities people are ready to buy, and these many quantities people are ready to sell. Then what is considered as opening price? Somebody is ready to buy at 108 rupees. They say 4,000 shares is ready to buy. So that means the demand is for 4,000 rupees at 108 rupees. The demand is for 4,000 shares at 108 rupees. At 107, the demand is 5,000 shares. And listen very carefully, like somebody is ready to buy at 108, he will also be ready to buy at 107. If somebody is ready to pay 108 rupees, when something is offered 107, so he will still take it, right? So, therefore, the total demand at 107 rupees is actually 4,000 plus 5,000. So, the total demand is 9,000. At 106 rupees, the demand is 6,500 shares. But people who are ready to buy 107, they will be ready to buy at 106 also. People who are ready to buy 108, they will be ready to buy 106 also. So the total demand at 106 rupees is this one plus this one plus this one. So that is 15,500. And so on. The total demand for buying shares at 103 is 13,500. And somebody who is ready to buy at 108, he will be ready to buy 107, he will be ready to buy 106, or he will be ready to buy 103 also. So therefore, the total demand for the shares at 103 rupees is the sum of all these numbers. So that is what you can see. Okay, now come to the opposite side. Somebody or some people ready to sell 11,500 shares at 103. So the supply is 11,500. Then how about 104? Somebody is ready to sell at 103, he will also be ready to sell at 104. So he is actually getting more money only. So the supply at 104 is actually this one plus this one. You can see that is what is written here. And so on. And at 108, the supply is 8,500. But somebody who is ready to sell 103, he will also be ready to sell at 108. So therefore, the supply is this. So you have seen the demand and you have seen the supply. So the total demand is reflected here. The total supply is reflected here. And once this is done, then wherever there is a possibility of maximum transaction, and that is taken as the starting price, opening price. Okay. So if you can see here the demand is 50,500 and supply is 11,500. That means people are ready to buy 50,500 shares, but people are ready to sell only 11,500 shares. So how many shares can be transacted? The transaction can be only 11,500 only, because there are more buyers but there are no sellers. So the maximum number of shares that can be transacted is only 11,500. Then at the price 104, buyers are there for 37,000 shares, sellers are there for 21,300 shares. That means maximum shares that can be transacted is only 21,300. At 105, the number of shares people are ready to buy 27,500 and sellers are 36,300 shares. So the maximum that can be transacted is only 27,500. And the same way you can see here. So these are the maximum tradable quantity. But look at all these things, which is the maximum number, and this is the maximum number. So that means only at price 105, the maximum number of shares can be transacted. So therefore, 105 is considered as opening price for this particular stock. You may see 103, you may see 108, so you can see all the prices on the screen, but opening price is taken as 105. So this is how the shares are being, the pre-opening session is being conducted. Opening price of a share is calculated. And at 9:05, whatever this 27,500 shares will be transacted, and the remaining will be not transacted. Just for your info, limit orders will be matched with the limit orders. Residual limit orders will be matched with the market orders. Market orders will be matched with market orders. So these are priority in which the orders are taken. And at any price, if you want to buy, you have to put market order. At any price you want to sell, you have to put a market order. And still at 9:15, your order will be executed. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.